The dawn of a new era, introducing Qihang. As the sun rises over the horizon, it symbolizes a fresh start, a new beginning for our planet. This is not just another day, it is a day filled with promise and potential. Our planet faces a great challenge. From the vast deserts to the lush rainforests, every corner of our Earth is feeling the strain. The delicate balance of our ecosystems is under threat, and the need for sustainable solutions has never been more urgent. We need energy, lots of it. Our cities are growing, our technologies are advancing, and our demand for power is skyrocketing. But this energy must come from somewhere, and the sources we have relied on for so long are no longer viable. But our old ways of making energy are harming Earth. The smokestacks that once symbolized progress now stand as monuments to pollution. Coal-fired power plants, once the backbone of industrial growth, are now seen as relics of a bygone era. We burn fossil fuels, and this warms our world. The carbon emissions from burning coal, oil, and gas are trapping heat in our atmosphere, leading to global warming. This warming is not just a statistic, it is a reality that affects every living being on this planet. Ice caps melt, seas rise, and storms grow stronger. The polar ice caps, which have existed for millennia, are disappearing at an alarming rate. Rising sea levels threaten coastal communities, and the increasing intensity of storms brings devastation to many. We must find cleaner ways. The sun offers power, the wind offers power. These are renewable energies. Harnessing the power of the sun and wind is not just an option, it is a necessity. Solar panels and wind turbines represent the future of energy. They do not run out. Unlike fossil fuels, which are finite and depleting, renewable energy sources are abundant and everlasting. The sun will shine, and the wind will blow for billions of years to come. They do not pollute in the same way. Renewable energy sources produce little to no pollution, making them a cleaner alternative to fossil fuels. They help preserve the beauty and health of our environment. This is where our story begins, with a new hope. A hope that we can change our ways, that we can innovate and create a sustainable future for generations to come. China has unveiled a new creation. It is called Qihang. This groundbreaking project represents a significant leap forward in renewable energy technology. It is a giant floating wind turbine designed to capture immense, untapped energy far out in the deep ocean. Qihang is not just a technological marvel, it is a beacon of hope, a symbol of our commitment to a cleaner, more sustainable future. Let us look closer at Qihang, a marvel of modern engineering and innovation. What makes it so special? It's not just another wind turbine, it's a leap forward in sustainable technology. First, its sheer size is astounding. Standing taller than the Statue of Liberty, it dominates the skyline. Imagine a structure taller than many skyscrapers, reaching heights that challenge our perceptions of engineering limits. Its blades sweep an enormous area of the sky, each rotation harnessing the power of the wind. These blades are designed with advanced aerodynamics, ensuring maximum efficiency and minimal noise. They capture the wind's energy with incredible efficiency, converting it into clean, renewable power. The generator it houses can produce many megawatts of electricity, enough to power entire communities, enough to power thousands, even tens of thousands of homes with clean energy, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. The true marvel lies in its floating platform, a groundbreaking innovation in offshore wind technology. Anchoring a tall, heavy structure in deep, turbulent waters is a huge challenge, but Qihang has mastered it. Qihang uses a sophisticated floating foundation. This platform provides stability, ensuring the turbine remains upright. It keeps the massive turbine upright even in strong winds and high waves, showcasing the resilience and ingenuity of modern engineering. Qihang does not exist in a vacuum. Around the world, scientists and engineers are racing. They are all trying to perfect floating wind technology. Several pioneering projects have paved the way. We have seen Hywind Tampen in Norway. This project powers offshore oil and gas platforms. We have seen Kincardine off the coast of Scotland. These were important steps. They showed that floating wind farms are viable. They provided valuable lessons for the industry. So how does Qihang compare? It aims to push the limits further. Often, new Chinese turbines like Qihang are among the largest and most powerful. They might feature higher capacity generators and innovative floater designs. Imagine the task. Building a structure like Qihang is monumental. It begins with a blueprint, thousands of pages of detailed plans. These plans are created by armies of engineers and designers. Every bolt, every weld, every cable is meticulously specified. The scale is immense. The tower sections are huge cylinders of steel. The nacelle, housing the generator and gearbox, can weigh hundreds of tons. The blades themselves are masterpieces of composite engineering, longer than the wings of the largest airplanes. The manufacturing process demands extreme precision. Specialized factories are needed. These factories must be capable of handling enormous components. Giant cranes lift sections into place. Section 5. Navigating the seas. Transporting and deploying Qihang. Once Qihang is built or its major components assembled, it faces its next great journey. It must travel from the port to its final destination. This location is often many kilometers offshore in deep water. Transporting such a colossal structure is a delicate operation. Specialized heavy-lift vessels are often required. These ships are themselves marvels of engineering. They are designed to carry enormous and unusually shaped cargo across the ocean. The towing process, if the turbine is fully assembled, needs calm seas. It needs careful planning. Tugboats, powerful and precise, guide the floating giant. They move it slowly and steadily through the water. Section 6. A greener horizon, Qihang's environmental promise. The primary purpose of Qihang is clear. It is to harness the power of the wind to generate clean, renewable electricity. It is to generate electricity without burning fossil fuels. This is a significant step towards a sustainable future. This is its greatest environmental gift. By utilizing wind energy, Qihang reduces our reliance on non-renewable resources. Every megawatt-hour of electricity from Qihang means less coal, oil, or natural gas burned. This shift is crucial for our planet's health. This directly translates to reduced emissions of carbon dioxide. Lower CO2 levels mean a slower rate of global warming. Carbon dioxide is the main greenhouse gas driving climate change. Reducing its presence in our atmosphere is essential. By tapping into the wind, Qihang helps to slow down the warming of our planet. This is a vital contribution to our fight against climate change. It is a warrior in the fight against climate change. Each turbine stands as a symbol of hope and progress. The benefits extend beyond carbon emissions. Wind energy also helps to improve air quality. Burning fossil fuels releases other pollutants. These pollutants have harmful effects on both the environment and human health. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are examples. These substances contribute to the formation of acid rain. These cause acid rain and respiratory problems. By reducing our dependence on fossil fuels, Qihang helps to mitigate these issues, promoting a healthier environment for all. Section 7. Powering progress. The economic ripples of Qihang. Qihang is not just an environmental champion, it is also an economic engine. The development and deployment of such advanced technology create jobs, many jobs, highly skilled jobs. Engineers, scientists, technicians, and manufacturing workers are all needed. Shipbuilders, crane operators, and installation crews find new opportunities. Once operational, the turbine needs ongoing maintenance. This creates further long-term employment in coastal regions. It is a boost for local economies. Beyond direct jobs, Qihang stimulates innovation across many sectors. The demand for stronger, lighter materials spurs research in material science. The need for sophisticated control systems drives advances in software and automation. Section 8. China's green ambition, leading the renewable charge. Qihang is a powerful symbol. It represents China's vast ambition in renewable energy. For years, China has been investing heavily in this sector. It is already the world's largest producer of wind and solar power. This is not by accident. It is the result of deliberate policy. It is the result of massive investment. China understands the environmental need. It also sees the economic opportunity in leading the global green revolution. The scale of China's renewable energy deployment is breathtaking. Vast solar farms stretch across deserts. Lines of onshore wind turbines march across hills and plains. Section 9. Qihang's voyage, steering through energy challenges. So, we have seen Qihang, a giant of the seas, a testament to human ingenuity, a promise of cleaner energy. Its importance cannot be overstated. In a world grappling with climate change, Qihang offers a path forward. It shows that we can harness the immense power of nature. We can do it in innovative and sustainable ways. It is a significant step in our collective journey towards a carbon-neutral future. China's energy appetite is enormous. It powers the world's second-largest economy. It supports over 1 billion people. Meeting this demand while reducing emissions